Good day all. I want to continue with our programming on All PLC Rockwell Automation. This is the Circuit Space Engineering Services Project and Training Division. MMP in the driving seat. Okay. Today we are going to continue with our All programming. Okay. Here goes my logics. I hope you know how to get to this environment. Okay. We did this in our first video and this second one. These videos will be very short. I don't want them to be exceeding 10 minutes, so that we will be getting them precise, okay, and manage the volume. Okay, good. So now we are going to do NO, NC, parallel and series, and then the output. Okay, NO, NC, parallel and series. Okay, good. Now here, first thing I do, you know, all this neuron, this branch, this NO, NC, output, lash and lash, verify. This is the program window. This is our program window, where everything about the program, I've explained this in the first video. Okay, and this is our task bar. Okay, so now let's move. We're going to be using this. When it is time to use these areas, I will tell you. Okay. Sorry that. Okay, let's go. Now I am starting. I'm adding neuron. Okay, but I have to click here. You click here. You click here. Important. So I click here, then add neuron. Okay. So the first thing you can click and drag until a green shows up, or you can also click on it and it will come. Okay, so now I need an address, and remember, as address is required, the address of All is I for input, O for output. For every address there are 8 bits, 0 to 8. Okay, 0 to 7, that is 8 bits, 0 to 7. So now this is I. Okay, you put colon, then 0. This is rack 0, and that's in the first PLC. Okay, or call it your first module. In that first module, it has a card. I explained that card in the first video. So that card, we are going to use the first input of that card. That is input 0. You are seeing /0. So if I press enter, you see start. This start is assigned by me. I can assign another thing. I can say on. I can assign on. Okay, I can say on is there. Then the next thing is an output. An output. If I compile this without an output, I'll have an error. Oh yeah, watch. Let's look at it. Compile. You can see an error occurs. Output missing. Output missing on wrong. If I put an output now, the error will disappear. Okay, now let me pick an output. If it's red, I can't drop it until it is green. You can see it's green, now I can drop it. Remember, output is O. Then our colon, I'm using still in the output card, I'm still using the first module, which is module 0. Then the first output in that module, which is 0. Then it says C1. I can change this C1 because I put it there before. I can call it coil. It will take it. You see. Okay, so the next thing now is, let me compile. The error will disappear. Watch. You can see the error is gone. Verifier has completed, no error found, because I have put the output there. Okay. So this switch, I'm taking it as a push button. You know, push button, the one you will push, you remove your hand, it returns back to normal. Okay, as a push button. Okay, so this is what I mean by switches. Okay, these are switches. So this is not the kind of switch. For this kind of switch, when you switch them, they remain maintained. They are called maintain switches. Okay, until you come to switch them off again. But for that program, this is what I mean. This push button. Okay, push button. Or let me show you this. You can see push button. This is a push button. These are all push buttons. Okay, when you when you press it, okay, it bounce back again. You understand? This is the symbol. You can see the symbol here. This is the symbol. Okay, so that is what I mean by that one. Okay, that is the reason why I'm going to on it and toggle it again. Okay, so we are going back to our program. Okay, so now the next thing is to download the program. So download the program. Already I saved it as a circuit space 123. Okay, now is are you sure you want to proceed program download? Yes. You want to go online? Yes, it's online now. This one is turning. Okay, you can see this sign is turning, means that it's online. The next thing is to run the program. Okay, put the person in run mode. You can see the power and the return is already there. Now I'm going to operate this. I'm going to put it on. Okay, but I'll put it on and put it off because it is a push button, like I said. Okay, you can see this man is on. If I put it off, okay, toggle bit, this man is gone because there is a maintain. Once you press, it's on. If you move your hand, the circuit is broken again. Okay, so that is beautiful. So we can go offline. So we are offline. So this is now we can make a parallel circuit and a series circuit. Let's look at a series circuit. Let's look at an AND. Okay, let's look at an AND. Put this here. So an AND is a series circuit. The two switches must be on before the output can energize. Okay, let me call this man I 0/1. Okay, this is on 2. Okay, so this is series. These two must be energized before this man can energize. That is series. Okay, now let's look at it. Let's download to PLC. Okay, yes. Okay, now it's downloaded. The program is downloaded. Now we have to go to run mode. So here we run. Yes. Okay, well, I see the power and the return. So let's see. You can see now this one is on, but what is happening here because this one is not on. But immediately only when this man is on, that this man comes on. You see that? So here now we are looking at this switch like a maintain switch. A maintain switch like this man. This one, these are the switches we are looking at. Okay, maintain switches. So if you on this man, that won't be able to put until you on the second of it before you have an output. Okay, so back to our program. So this is series circuit. This series circuit. Okay, we can create a parallel circuit. Let's look at parallel circuit. Okay, this is NO. Okay, let's look at the parallel circuit. We go offline. So now this is the parallel circuit. I'll add a new run. Okay, in parallel circuit, I'm going to add a new NO here. I can call it I 0/2. I see the way I'm doing my addressing. Okay, this is I'll use on 3. Okay, see on 3, on 1, on 2, on 3. Okay, good. So what it means is that this man, I can change this man to, let me say, change it to stop. Then I will change this to NC. I will examine it if I'll change it to NC. Okay, I can change it to NC. That is change the session type. Okay, you can see. So I can change it now. I can put O SIO. Okay, it's not NC. You understand now? It's not NC. So now, how do I connect these two? What I'll do is I get a branch. I put a branch here. You take this man, put inside the branch. Then take this man, put inside here. You can see now. That is it. So now they are parallel. I can on, if I on this man come. If I on this man come. So this is ON or ON3. We power this man. That is all. That is a parallel. Or either this or this. So let's try and see if it is true. Then here we download the program to the PLC. Now program download. Okay, it has errors. There's our errors. Okay, we have unused wrong. Okay, now download. Okay, good. Online. Then we run. Yes, we have our power and our return. So now let's see. Well, this is stop. So it's NC already closed. So let's select. Let us select toggle. Let's toggle this. You can see now. You can see that this one is on. You see it's on. Okay, that's beautiful. It is on. Now, what if I off this? Okay, I can use this. You can see it's on. It's parallel. Either this or this. Either this or this. You see, either this or this. This is a stop. So if I toggle this man, everybody is gone. But this is the stop that stops the two. Okay, so that is beautifully done. I hope you understood. As we progress to the next video, please, thank you very much. I hope you can replicate this. This is NO, this is NC. Okay, this is a series. We did series and we did parallel, powering one output. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Remember, we are in circuit space industrial training, in circuit space engineering services, training and project division. Thank you very much. God bless you as always. See you.